This is my last comparison video. This is the Medela Pump and Style Advance compared to the Medela Sonata. Wait, not Sonata, Symphony. I got Sonata on the brain apparently. This is the last pump I actually own. So this is the last comparison video I will be able to do for you as far as sound comparisons. So, here we go. I'm going to start out with this one because it's plugged in. But you already know. Let down mode. Expression mode with full setup. So this is what it sounds like on you. Alright, now we're going to move on to the Medela Symphony. So we're going to turn it on. It starts out on 3. We're going to turn it all the way up so you can hear what it sounds like. That is what it sounds like. First of all, there, look at that. Can you see that at all? You can't. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, like 16 different levels. So that's it in let down mode. It in expression mode. All the way up. So, yeah. I think it's probably the quietest of all my pumps, to be honest. And I love it. Thank you. Bye.